Let's say that for any reason you want to recover again a thumbnail that you made in the past. So before that, I'm gonna show you my camera roll, and I'm gonna delete this thumbnail, and I'm gonna show you that the only thumbnails that I have right here are this on top, and I don't have any right here in my camera roll. So I'm gonna show you how you can do it. So we're gonna use this app right here, YouTube Studio. Let's open it, and then we're gonna go all the way down to one of the old videos and see one of the thumbnails that we wanna recover. So let's say that I want this one, right? So I'm just gonna go to the pencil right here, and I'm gonna tap on download thumbnail, and now it's already in my camera roll. And now I'm gonna get another one from the top. Let's say this one. I'm gonna click again pencil, and the same process. So now I should have two thumbnails. So I'm gonna go back to my camera roll, and here's one, and here's the second one. As you can see, this one right here looks different. Like this one has these black bars on top. So for some reason YouTube used to do that, and now it does it well. So it does it like the same size that you upload your thumbnail. And there was an update, because before all the thumbnails used to be saved like this, but now they're the perfect size. So this is the easiest way to do it. Thanks for your time, and if you want to support this channel, I'm gonna leave some links in the description.